Here I have this metal plate. There's a heart in it. Let's see what comes out of this. That's pretty good. Now we just break it and then we'll stitch it up. I need some sort of needle. This piece would make a good wound needle. It's around like this. Okay, let's try to cut this heart to pieces. Okay, let's do some sort of small markings here that is broken. Okay, it's a bit rough, but so is life. I thought of making a little bandate here, welded in. Let's see if I can make one from this scrap metal. Sort of something like this. Let's make the face out of this. This will hold it upright. So this is the base. Not the perfect square, but close. Okay, here's a welding stick. I removed that cover. Let's see if I can get this cleaned. This would be a great string for that. I think it's good. Okay, here's the band-aid that I'm gonna weld here. I think it's good from that hole at the back, like that. Okay, here's the needle and here's the welding stick. These, I just bent these and cut. I try to weld this here and here and there. Then this will come to the needle somehow. I don't know yet how, but let's see. Okay, now that it's good, let's try to heat this hard part a bit. Yeah, I think there's some color, so let's stick with that. I think it's good. Okay, I just carved the maker's mark here with this. Okay, so that's done. Then I need to put on some varnish to get this color staying, and
so I made this metalwork as a reminder from the past year. There has been heartbreaks and then some new and old friends that has been there for me. This Decorpiece reminds me of that.